Alright guys, I had come out with a solution for the 2003 Ford Expedition. After working on it like for 3 weeks, I couldn't find a problem. Till finally I did some research online, and I find out that the problem was that a fuel box. So unfortunately I had to change the whole fuel box. There is a relay number 303, and that's one of the relays that is in here. This one right here is like way deep in there, but that relay is not replaceable. Well, it could be replaced if you can buy it and you know how to weld, because that thing is welded. So I had to just buy a different one, replace it. I got a used one. It might have the same problem later on in the future, so I'm gonna go ahead and send this one to get replaced. On eBay I found a place that they can rebuild them. They don't have them in stock. The only thing is that you gotta send yours first to be able for them to work on it, fix it for you, and we ship it back to you. I believe it's like about 350 bucks. Is worth it. I called around. A brand new one is about 500 and some plus at the Ford dealer, but I think getting it rebuilt is worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and send this one to get it rebuilt, just so I can have it, you know, just in case I need it. Hope not, but just in case I need it, I have it as a backup. But yeah, I had to replace the whole entire fuel box, which, like I said, it wasn't that hard to do. I would think it would be harder to change the whole entire fuse pump, because I had to drop the whole gas tank, and you know, it gets kind of heavy after it, especially if we got gas on it. But yeah, I had to replace that. I had to buy the manual for it, so I can, you know, work on the car, on the truck. But you know, hopefully this will be the fix, the problem. Now I started the truck with no problems after changing that fuel box. Again, it took me about 3 weeks because I couldn't find the part. Went to a couple junkyards, you know, look around locally, see if there anybody can fix this fuel box. I couldn't find anybody locally, so I had to go online. There's a website that is called www.parts.com, and that's I think it's a website regarding about all the dealers around in the whole US. And I find mine fuel box at Kansas City, and I'm on Los Angeles area. So it took about 3 days for them to ship it back to me, and I finally got it. So put it on, it works fine. So if you guys have any problems with your car or anything like that, please hit me up. Hopefully I can guide you guys through and help you guys, you know, with your problem. Don't forget to like my videos so I can go ahead and keep on putting more videos up. Thank you and have a great day.